Hey, in this video I will show you how to create a customer in NetSuite. So the first thing I will do, in the search bar I will type page : customers. Once it's there, I click on it. And here we are. You have a button new customer. You just click on it and then you have a form. You might have some custom forms depending on your setup. And then based on the custom forms, the options that you will see on this page might vary from what you see now. There's a lot of options. Don't get scared. Just do the mandatory ones and then do the others based on needs, and you will quickly learn the ones that you really need. One thing that I find useful is to use the contacts. You see that tab contacts to add contacts rather than using email and phone, so you can really add several contacts. That's just a tip, but it depends on how your company works. And that's it. And then you just click on save in the top left or bottom left. If you want more tips, visit coleno.com. Bye bye.